Hello guys and welcome back to another episode. This one is gonna be a very quick one. As you can see, I bought a lithium battery, I bought a battery box, and I got a DCD charger. So the plan is to create a battery box which I can take in and out the car whenever I need it. So when I go camping, I just take the battery box, put it in my car, and I have the battery ready to go. So I decided to do this because I want to have a fridge at the back, and I want to put some camping lights as well. I got a new light. So my plan is to attach the DCD charger to the box. We just have to drill some holes to attach the DCD charger to the battery box. Do that is basically ready to go. You just put it in the car. We connect the main battery to the second battery with the Anderson plugs, and that's it. What do you need is battery box, the DCD charger, crimping tool, a cigarette plug, drill, terminals, and heat strings, some bolts and nuts. First thing we need to do is measure where the DCD charger will be. Basically you check where the screw should be going, and then you drill accordingly. Once you did that, you just attach the DCD charger to the battery box, and just like that it's done. So now what we need to do is, this one is for solar, which is gonna go here to the battery box. This one is for the start battery, which is I'm gonna put it here as well. So to attach this one here, you just have to see where are the holes, and once you find the holes, you just mark them and then you drill it with a driller. One is done. As you can see guys, this is done. So we got a DCD charger here attached to the battery box. Then we got all the cables. This one goes to the top. So this is for the main battery and this is for the solar. Now we connect the battery box to the battery. Before do that, make sure the ignition is off. If it's negative, don't forget to put the temperature cable. Ecco qua. Then the positive to the positive. And this one is pretty much ready to go. So we connect the DCD charger to the battery. And now we turn it on. When we turn this one on, there should be some lights flashing in the DCD charger. On, light. There are different type of batteries. I have lithium here, so we need to switch the DCD charger to lithium mode. You do so, just pushing and hold the mode button. Finally, it goes to lithium. This is ready to go. Now what we need to do, we need to connect the ignition cable to the cigarette plug. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna connect these two cables, and this one goes to the 12-volt plug, which is at the back of my car. So when I turn the car on, this one goes on, there is energy going through, and DCDC charger knows we need to send energy to the secondary battery. Pretty much done, eh? What we need to do now is just to put it in the car, connect it to the main battery. I'll show you how to do it, how I did it. So we are on the car now. We're gonna connect the wire from the main battery, which is here in the engine bay, to the battery box. That's how I did it. You don't have to do it like that. That's how it works for me. And there it is. So this is the main battery. So the cable is this one. You basically get the cable from Kings or everywhere. You can get this cable. in this case the cable is long 6 meters and it goes from the front of my car till the back of my car where the secondary battery is. I run the cable in the engine bay with this protecting I don't know, housing cable, because here is very hot, we don't want the cable to burn, and if it gets overheated there might be a shortcut and then the battery don't work anymore. I make the cable follow the factory cable from Toyota. You see these ones? The gray one is from the Toyota and the black one is mine. I just zip tied mine to the Toyota cable that goes through behind the engine bay, behind the engine. From this corner goes inside there. There is like a piece of like there of rubber where all the cable get from the outside of the car, in this case from the engine bay, to the inside of the car. Cable ended up here. Here there is this panel. This panel is like this, you basically unscrew and then this one comes off. The cable comes out from there all the way here. I make it run all the way there behind like that. It comes from here, goes all the way underneath this platform inside the bump here, and it comes out here. That's it. This one, and whenever the car is running, I just attach it here to the battery box and it's done. The alternator charges this battery as well. And from this battery box you can attach the solar. You attach the cable there on the solar input. We got the solar panel there getting all the sun it needs to charge the battery. Thanks to the secondary battery I can run the fridge, camping lights. I don't need to worry anymore of cameras charged. Everything is much easier now. And there you go guys, this is a simple setup that everybody can do. It is not hard, you just need few tools. Basically they sell everything ready. You got the battery box, you got the cable, you got the DCDC charger with all the Anderson plugs, everything. You just have to assemble everything together and connect it to the car. That's it. That's all for this episode. If you like the video, leave a like, and if you want to see more, just subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.